All right, out here in Chocowinity, we got L234, CSX L234 on this long stretch of track. So they should be going pretty fast. So we about to get them. Here they come. I can hear that engine shaking the ground. All right. They're getting close. Here we go. CSX L234 14 on the route to nutrien phosphate. We about to get them. Signal's going down. Honestly, not going that fast. Thought these boys gonna be flying. Here we go. CSX L234 14 going to nutrien phosphate. Here we go. There they go. Short load today. That's a long stretch of track right there. Signal's going up. Yeah, they should really be picking up speed. That stretch of track goes for a while, so yeah. Hopefully they going a little bit faster next time I see them. But hey, nice catch. L234 14 on the route to nutrien phosphate. AC44 and the ES40DC. ES40DC gonna lead in the morning when they come back. Or actually, they've been coming back earlier, so about 12 a.m., 1 p.m., or 1 a.m. So, all right, nice.